Have you ever wondered which hidden gems in London you simply can't miss in 2024? Today, we're diving into 5 of the most amazing tourist attractions in London that will leave you in awe. From historical landmarks to modern marvels, let's uncover the secrets of this incredible city together. Welcome to Travelopia. Our journey begins at the iconic Tower of London. This historic fortress has stood for nearly 1,000 years, witnessing royal executions, imprisonments, and even housing the crown jewels. The Tower of London was founded by William the Conqueror in 1066 as part of the Norman conquest of England. The White Tower, which gives the entire castle its name, was built in 1078 and was the tallest building in London at the time. Over the centuries, the tower expanded with the addition of several defensive walls, towers, and buildings. It has served various purposes, including a royal residence, treasury, armory, and even a menagerie. Walking through its ancient walls feels like stepping back in time, offering a fascinating glimpse into England's tumultuous history. The central structure of the complex, the White Tower, is a stunning example of Norman architecture. It houses the Royal Armoury's collections, including the impressive line of King's Display, which features historic armor and weaponry. One of the tower's most famous attractions, the crown jewels are a breathtaking collection of ceremonial regalia. Visitors can marvel at the spectacular crowns, scepters, and orbs used in the coronation of British monarchs, including the magnificent imperial state crown. Whether you're exploring the medieval White Tower or admiring the dazzling crown jewels, the Tower of London is a must-visit for history, enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. As you marvel at the grandeur of the tower, let's move to a spot where tradition meets modernity. We ascend to the Shard, London's tallest building. Standing at 310 meters, the Shard offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. Imagine sipping a cocktail while watching the sunset from one of its many luxurious restaurants or bars. The Shard's unique design resembles a shard of glass, hence its name. The building is clad entirely in glass, which allows it to reflect and interact with the changing sky. Its tapering form narrows as it rises, giving it a sleek, elegant appearance. The view is simply staggering, and the experience is beyond your wildest dreams. Don't forget your camera. This is one skyline you'll want to capture. After soaking in the cityscape, let's step into a world of artistic wonders. Situated on the banks of the Thames, Tate Modern is not just a museum, it's an experience. Housed in a former power station, the building itself is an architectural marvel. Inside, you'll find contemporary art from around the world, including works by Picasso, Warhol, and Hockney. The ever-changing exhibitions mean there's always something new to discover, making it a perfect spot for art lovers and curious minds. One of the most striking features of Tate Modern is the Turbine Hall, a vast space that once housed the power station's turbines. Measuring 152 meters long and 35 meters high, the Turbine Hall now serves as a gallery for large-scale installations and interactive works. This space has hosted some of the most memorable art installations in recent history, including works by artists such as Olafur Eliasson and Ai Weiwei. Tate Modern is located in the vibrant South Bank area, close to other cultural landmarks such as Shakespeare's Globe Theatre and the Millennium Bridge, which provides a scenic pedestrian route to St. Paul's Cathedral across the Thames. The museum is easily accessible by public transport, with nearby underground stations such as Southwark and Blackfriars. It is also well served by local bus routes and riverboat services. If these stunning views and artistic treasures are captivating you, don't miss out on more amazing travel insights. Hit that subscribe button to join our community and stay updated with our latest videos. A shopper's paradise for a completely different vibe. Head to Camden Market. This vibrant market is a maze of eclectic stalls selling everything from vintage clothing, to handmade crafts and exotic street food. The atmosphere is electric, with live music and street performers adding to the charm. Whether you're a foodie, a fashionista, or just love to explore, Camden Market is an essential stop. Camden Market began in the 1970s as a small arts and crafts fair. Over the decades, it has grown into a sprawling market complex, attracting millions of visitors each year. The market expanded significantly in the 1990s and early 2000s, incorporating various independent markets into one cohesive experience. This growth has helped Camden Market maintain its unique character while evolving with contemporary trends. The market and its surroundings are adorned with striking street art and murals, reflecting the creative spirit of Camden. Many local artists showcase their work in the market. Camden Market is renowned for its diverse street food scene. You can sample dishes from around the world, including Venezuelan arepas, Japanese sushi, Indian curries, and Italian pizzas. The food stalls are perfect for grabbing a quick bite or indulging in a culinary adventure. Finally, let's relax in one of London's most beautiful green spaces. Amidst the bustling city lies Hyde Park, an oasis of tranquility. Spread across 350 acres, it's perfect for a leisurely stroll, a boat ride on the Serpentine Lake, or even a concert at the famous Hyde Park Bandstand. The lush greenery and serene atmosphere make it hard to believe you're in the middle of one of the world's busiest cities. It's the perfect spot to unwind and reflect on your London adventures. Over the centuries, Hyde Park has been the site of many significant events, including protests, concerts, and celebrations. It played a key role in the 1851 Great Exhibition, which was held in the Crystal Palace built within the park. Hyde Park is a premier venue for major concerts and music festivals. The British Summertime (BST) Festival, held annually in July, attracts world-famous artists and large crowds. During the holiday season, Hyde Park transforms into Winter Wonderland, a festive event featuring ice skating rides, a Christmas market, and entertainment for all ages. Hyde Park is centrally located and easily accessible by public transport. The nearest tube stations include Hyde Park Corner, Marble Arch, Lancaster Gate, and Knightsbridge. The park offers several cafes and refreshment kiosks, public restrooms, and seating areas. There are also information points with maps and details about the park's attractions. Hyde Park has a rich history and a vibrant atmosphere that makes it a beloved destination for visitors from around the world. That wraps up our tour of London's amazing tourist attractions for 2024. From historical landmarks and sky-high views to artistic wonders and vibrant markets, London truly has it all. Excited about these travel insights? Subscribe and hit the like button to support more discoveries in the world of travel. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to follow us for more insightful videos tailored for travel enthusiasts. Happy travels, and see you in the next video.